Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I ordered jeans from Mnml, Mnml.com, and they sell just nice denims, and I just got my package done and rip it. So I got extra little thing, I think, and my jeans look like this. I got in size 29 right here. So in my opinion, like, this is actually a nice quality jeans. You see, and then it has nice rips here, and then it has like nice zipper here around here. I like that. I like that. Okay. Try to wear it, and I hope you enjoy the video. So I'm wearing the jeans right now. I'm just gonna show you how they look in person and how I wear it. So in my conclusion, this jean is a little bit pricey, I guess, but like the quality wise is really nice quality. So I think these jeans, I rate them 8, solid 8 out of 10. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, peace.